Google goes all in on AI and now has an AI that is better than ChatGPT in many areas. In this video, we look at how you can use the chatbot Bard, what ingenious things you can do with it, and what other important new AI features Google has introduced. Thanks to AI, Google Maps gets an immersive view feature. You can check your route virtually beforehand and also get corresponding traffic or weather simulations for different times. This will be tested in 15 cities this year. Gmail gets the Help Me Write feature, with which AI can write your emails and also takes information from previous messages into account. Google Photos gets a magic editor that can be used to move objects, for example. AI then intelligently adjusts the entire image and, if necessary, generates matching things that were not captured in the original shot. Generative AI is integrated into Google Search. This allows more complex searches to be made and you get relevant answers faster. In addition, you can also ask questions through a chat format. AI is also being integrated into all other Google Workspace products, and Google calls it Duet AI. AI can help you to write directly in Google Docs. For example, simply by typing a period, a text is generated. In Google Presentations, you can have AI generate images with a short description that perfectly match your presentations. And in Google Sheets, AI will help you evaluate your data faster. A big and important topic at Google is that AI is used responsibly and safely. For example, they introduced a feature useful against AI-generated fake news and that can recognize AI-generated images. The feature will be built into Google Search and also Google Lens and Chrome. As a basis for all these AI features, Google has introduced PaLM 2, a much more powerful AI that comes very close to OpenAI and even surpasses it in some areas. It is interesting that the model is available in 4 different sizes: Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn. Gecko is so small, light, and resource efficient to use that it can run on smartphones and even offline. As a result, many more apps will be developed that can use this AI as a basis. PaLM 2 also has particularly strong multilingual capabilities and can therefore translate better, among other things. With ChatGPT, the results are significantly better if you use it in English than if you use it in German, for example. PaLM 2 has been trained more multilingually and is even better in some languages than in English. PaLM 2 can also become better for certain applications, as Google showed in the presentation for medicine. For example, diagnoses, for example from body scans, can be made more reliably with this AI called PaLM 2 than by doctors. It is estimated that there are 251 deaths each year in the United States from medical errors. With PaLM 2, this can be reduced significantly. PaLM 2 is now also behind Google ChatGPT alternative Bard, making it much smarter and more useful. Where it's better than ChatGPT everywhere, we'll look in a moment. There is now no waiting list for Bard, and it is available in over 180 countries except the EU. So if you want to use it in EU right now, you need a VPN. You can then access the AI chatbot via bard.google.com. Bard can search the internet and, for example, summarize yesterday's news. Bard gets various useful plugins, for example Adobe Firefly, and you can use it to generate AI images directly in the chat. There will be an app for Android and iOS. Images are included in Bard's responses. You can add pictures and ask questions about them. You can also use your voice for your commands and don't have to type them in. You can export Bard's output and paste it directly into Gmail and Google Docs. You can also quickly jump to Bard's other answers here. And again, you can see that it is more user-friendly than ChatGPT. Bard is also particularly strong at coding and now gives us all the ability to code. Bard knows more than 20 programming languages and can create, explain, and correct code for you. You can also see sources. Wow! This update is definitely awesome. ChatGPT now looks quite old against Bard at first glance. However, we will have to see in the next few weeks how the whole thing looks in practice. Overall, All these AI announcements from Google were definitely a show of force, and AI will make our lives and work easier and easier. Subscribe to this channel for more AI content. Until next time, bye.